This is the truth about baby monkey videos. They look so tiny, so innocent. You think they are playing, but many of them are terrified, taken from their mothers, forced to perform, punished when they don't understand. Their fear becomes content. Their cries become clicks. Behind the laughter, there is pain. Behind the views, there is suffering. Some of these babies never know safety again. Please, don't scroll past this. Do not like. Do not share. Report these videos, because every report is a chance for one small life to finally feel safe.